Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to fix Adobe Acrobat sign-in required. So stick around to the end to understand how you can do this. The first thing you need to do is to update the Creative Cloud Desktop app. If you have the Creative Cloud Desktop app, you need to open it and check for updates. If you're running on an outdated software, this might cause some problems for the softwares running on the Creative Cloud. The second option is to update your Windows to the latest version. This can be done by clicking on Start on your PC and searching for Update. Here you'll see Check for Updates, and when you click on it, you can go ahead and scan for updates. Using a new software on an out-of-date OS can cause some problems. Another thing you could do is to enable the Windows Credential Manager service. You could do this by pressing Windows and R keys simultaneously. When the pop-up comes, you can type in services.msc. Then under the Services Local tab, locate the Credential Manager option and double-click on it. Then from the dialog box, press the General tab, then click Start and then press OK. Another method is to add Acrobat executable files in the Allow list of your antivirus software. For this option, you can go over to your Start menu, search for Windows Security, and when you get to this page, you can come over to Virus and Threat Protection. You can scroll down to Virus Threat Protection Settings, click on Manage Settings, then scroll down to the bottom where you have exclusions. Click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Then right here, you need to add an exclusion. When you click on Add Exclusion, you can select File, go to your PC, then locate Adobe, click on Open, and it will appear right here. Adobe will be added as an exclusion for virus and threat protection. This is important because Windows Security and Windows Defender might automatically block Adobe from internet access. And the fifth option is to uncheck compatibility mode. You could do this by searching for Adobe Acrobat, right-clicking on it, click on Open File Location, then right-click on the app, go to Properties, and then locate the Compatibility tab. Click on it, and if this box is checked, uncheck it, click on Apply, and press OK. Then try to open the app again and see if the problem is solved. After trying all of these options, you could also try using alternative PDF editors. This could be a quick fix after all has been tried to fix the problem. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.